to undertake the reforms that are necessary.
The coming days to members of the bar.
Coming to the yacht, well, the yacht, I think very few people expected us to go the Admiralty route. Once we were told, and again I issued a press statement, once we were told that as a result of Prime Minister's visit to the President, and at that level it was a decision at the highest level, I was just told about it, and we were asked to think about how would the Malaysian jurisdiction bite, how would Malaysian jurisdiction be triggered when the boat finally arrives in Malaysia. One option was UMLA, but UMLA had its disadvantages, and that's when we went the Admiralty route. The great advantage of the Admiralty route, and I'm not a shipping lawyer, but I'm a corporate commercial lawyer, and I know enough of corporate commercial matters to know that shipping law, or Admiralty law, is in many ways universal as a result of the British Navy and British shipping law. Half the world uses British shipping law and law of merchants, and the arrest mechanism, and the other countries recognize it. So it's very easy. If you are sitting in Hong Kong, all you have to do is ask a Hong Kong shipping lawyer what are the next steps, and he will tell you. If you are in Lisbon, and if you ask a shipping lawyer in Portugal, he will tell you there's very much uniformity, which is one of the great strengths of it. And essentially, you have to start legal proceedings, which we have. We started legal proceedings. The government of Malaysia, and this must be on the online now. I'm sure some papers must carry it. It's not secret. The government of Malaysia is a plaintiff. The 3 1MDB companies are plaintiffs. And the substantive issue in the proceedings is the ownership of the yacht. We, the plaintiffs, assert that we are the true beneficial owner. The yacht is held in constructive trust for us because our monies were used. Of course, if and when there is a contest by Jolo or anybody else, they will no doubt assert that they are the owners. And the critical substantive issue before the Admiralty judge in the KL High Court is to determine ownership. And that depends on the contests and the defenses raised. And in the interim, the ship is arrested on an ex parte basis, very much like an injunction or a Mareva injunction or whatever, ex parte. The other side is entitled to apply to set it aside. And the ship can be sold pending litigation. Because again, very established feature of Admiralty law, because they understand there's a time gap between arrest and the trial, but you can sell the ship in a very transparent way and transform the asset from the ship into money. So if everything goes well, it will be done in about 3-4 months, because obviously Malaysia doesn't need a ship. No sovereign country wants to have a yacht of this luxury. So everybody's agreed that it's going to be sold in a very open, transparent way, and it'll be transformed into cash, and hopefully we'll keep it in some fixed interest earning account, and that will go to the winner of the civil suit rather than the ship. So that's essentially the yacht problem.